In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change email on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and guys. First off, you need to open up Instagram app. Once it is done, tap right here to go to your Instagram profile page. Then tap these three lines to go to settings and activity. And there and at the top, we can easily find account center. So guys, first you need to enter meter account center. And that's where, if you scroll down a bit, you'll find personal details. Now I'm gonna enter it. And then at the very top, add contact info. That's where we can easily find all their phone numbers and email addresses associated with our Instagram profile. And from here, let's say if you would like to delete some email. I have just one email here. You may have several addresses there. If you would like to delete you can just get into it and then hit at delete email. At the very bottom, by the way, at the very top, it says that I've added this email for two accounts. Facebook account and Instagram account. And by hitting add, delete email will delete the email for both of them. And after that, if you would let's say to add new email here, we can easily by typing at that bottom where it says add new contact. After that, select add email. And then we need to choose accounts. For this email, I can select one account or several accounts or all the accounts at once. And then we need to enter our email address here. Then hit at next, and on the next step, you'll be able to enter that account's password to attach it to our made account center. So that's how you can actually change email on Instagram. Once you have went through this process, your new email address will appear right here at contact information. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button